So hey guys, welcome to Monsters Gaming with again guys. Today we play Akinator. In this game we simply have to thought a character in our mind and Akinator finds him. So in this video you got fun. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. It's a humble request. So without wasting time, let's go. So first we think about PewDiePie. Okay, so PewDiePie is not gender female. Second question. Does your character have a gaming channel? Yes. Does your character play PUBG Mobile? He played PUBG Mobile or not? I am not sure. Probably. Does your character need glasses? No. Does your character play Minecraft? Yes. Does your character over 10 million subscribers? No. He got very subscribers. Please subscribe my channel also. Does your character live with her grandmother? I don't know. Does your character play Bed Wars? Bed Wars? I don't think. Does your character hide their face? No. Does your character have a famous brother? No. Does your character speak Hindi? No. Is your character Indian? No. Is your character American? Oh, he's American or British? No, he's a British. Yes, he's a British. Does your character have shaved head? No. Is your character older than 18? Yes. Has your character dyed their hair? Yes, her hair. Is your character linked with green color? No. Does your character have blue hairs? No, brown I think. Is your character drive a Tesla? No. Is your character linked to an animal? No. Is your character known for Minecraft gaming? Yes, and many other games. Is your character a guitar player? Yes. Is your character red-haired? Red-haired? No. He is brown, I think. Is your character associated with Wilbur Soot? No. Is your character part of a trio? I don't know what's that. Is your character associated with blue color? No. Does your character use swear words? No, I don't think so. Is your character Crazy Craft? No. But yes. Does your character live in Britain? Yes.
2,000 years later.
No, he is wrong. Okay, we start again. Does your character play Roblox? No. Is your character blonde? No, I think. Have your character is weird? Yes. Does your character make tutorials? No. Is your character white? Yes. Does your character have over 1,000 subscribers? No. Is your character a YouTuber? Yes. Is your character from Denmark? I don't know. Does your character have a Scottish accent? I don't know. Does your character play in NBL? No. Is your character linked with the Apritas? No. Is your character a phonics? No. Is your character Scottish? No. Is your character in the Sidemen? No. Is your character an adult man? Yes. Does your character do let's plays? I don't know. Does your character have any children? No. Does your character work with a group? Yes. Is your character from a role play game group? I don't know. Is your character known from Roblox gaming? Yes, probably. Does your character purple hairs? No. Is your character an AI? No. Is your character associated with Stampy Cat? No. Does your character believe in a god? Probably. Does your character play Pixelmon? It's A or O. I don't know. Probably not. Does your character play Crazy Craft? No. Does your character come from England? No. Is your character member of Yocast? No. Does your character play Gary's Mode? No. Is your character in my street? No. He is wrong. Okay, so we will not continue. Now we think about any more. Okay, I don't know about PewDiePie, not so good, so I will not try to think. Okay, and now we think about another character. Okay, so now we think about Tom Cruise. Okay, so Tom Cruise is not a YouTuber. Is your character as a girl? No. Is your character an actor? Yes. Is your character have any children? No. He is not got married, I think. Is your character from a TV series? No. Is your character Bollywood actor? No. Is your character as a singer? No. Is your character linked to the South? No. Is your character Muslim? No. Have your character ever been in movie? Yes. Always. Is your character Indian? No. Does your character really exist? Yes. Is your character Britisher? No. Is your character more than 40 years? No. What are you saying? Is your character American? Yes. Is your character have been in superhero movie? No. Is your character porn actor? I don't know I don't know. Is your character drive? Yes. Does your character does your character have ears? Yes. Is your character? No. Does your character work of UFC? No. Has your character ever been married? Probably. Is your character a wrestler? No. Is your character black? No. Is your character great dancer? No. He is wrong. Okay, so this is enough for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe, and if you are new in this channel then please subscribe. Now we will meet in next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye and thanks for watching.